India is home to a wide variety of mountain ranges, and this has led to a large number of mountain lovers to explore some of these wonderful creations of nature. I decided to take a trip to Himachal Pradesh. Shimla felt beautiful, but much had changed. The old world charm remained, but there were crowds and constant patrolling in the concrete jungle. The town has issues for parking space and has heavy traffic even at midday. Well, then I planned for a quiet place around Shimla called Fagu. Fagu is a hill resort located around 22 kilometers from Shimla. A gentle localite helped me to explore the place better. He shared many lesser known things about Fagu.
फागू ब्रिटिश के टाइम से सुना गया है कि यहाँ पर फॉग रहती है, बहुत साल के अंदर 9 महीने फॉग रहती है, तो उसके नाम पे अंग्रेजों ने इसका नाम जो है फागू।
It is well known for its swaying green fields with the snow-covered Himalayas at its backdrop.
टेम्परेचर शिमला से 7-8 डिग्री का शिमला और यहाँ का डिफरेंस है।
Fagu is around 360 kilometers from New Delhi via NH44 and NH5 that took me around 8 to 9 hours to reach the destination.
By road it is 8 hour drive from Delhi to Shimla. और ट्रेन से आप आना चाहते हो तो आप कालका तक ट्रेन से आ सकते हो, उसके बाद यहाँ टॉय ट्रेन जो है वो शिमला तक आती है। बाकी जुब्बड़हट्टी एयरपोर्ट है, बाई एयर आप आ सकते हो। और अब तो आने वाले टाइम में यहाँ 4 लेन कालका टू शिमला जो 4 लेन होने जा रहा है।
The area provides good lodging facilities.
रहने के लिए यहाँ पर अब तो बहुत सारे होटल्स का हब आ गया है, बहुत बड़ी चेन्स आ गई है यहाँ पर। बाकी यहाँ पर लोगों ने होम स्टे, जिसको ब्रेड एंड बटर हाउसेस कहते हैं, वो लोगों ने ऑर्चर्ड के अंदर डेवलप किए हुए हैं, तो आप वहाँ भी रह सकते हैं, होटल के अंदर रह सकते हैं, और हर बजट का होटल यहाँ पर अवेलेबल है।
While driving towards the village, I could see the steppe farming, small huts, and few Himachali people and fascinating landscapes. It is a quite peaceful place and locals speak Pahari, Hindi and Punjabi. My experience in Shimla was tremendous, and now I have found out a village 22 kilometers from Shimla known as Fagu. And if I can see, the atmosphere here is very peaceful. This place has got a name from fog because this place is almost covered with fog most of the time of the year. I checked in at this beautiful snow-king retreat with mesmerizing hilltop view and cool breeze. At 9,000 feet, this noise and pollution-free environment made the place all the more adorable. Fagu surprises vacationers with its splendor, charm and serenity. It is one of the secluded snowy retreats in the state.
यहाँ का जो वेदर है वो बहुत इंग्लिश वेदर रहता है. कभी आपको धूप होएगी, कभी बारिश होएगी, कभी फॉग होएगी. आपने जैसा देखा होगा यहाँ पर हर घंटे में मौसम चेंज होता रहता है. विंटर में यहाँ स्नोफॉल बहुत होता है और शिमला से ये सिर्फ आपको 45 मिनट का ड्राइव है.
During winter, the place gets heavy snowfall.
तो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रोड है क्योंकि बॉर्डर रोड है ये, क्योंकि चाइना बॉर्डर को कनेक्टिविटी है. तो इसमें मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सरफेस ट्रांसपोर्ट बहुत मुस्तैदी से उसको 2 दिन के अंदर इसको ट्राई करते हैं कि अगर बहुत हैवी स्नोफॉल आ जाए तो 2 दिन के अंदर इसको रोड को क्लियर कर देते हैं.
I also stopped by at a little local temple. You should also not miss the Tibba, that is the highest point in the area. It gives you space where you can celebrate solitude, peace and belongingness. In other words, you can celebrate life, and I did the same. There were a few times when I could see clouds below my resort. It was one of the most beautiful evenings I had ever spent in my life. The sound of the cold wind, valleys in the darkness with tiny lights, and the calmness of the place was so perfect that it's beyond my words. I also moved out to try some local food styles. Travel makes you hungry, and I have stopped by to take a food break, and I have ordered a burger at this very famous burger shop here, and let's find out how it tastes. Down below in lower altitudes, the scenery is enchanting, with villages having terraced agri plots and apple plantations. The mountain ranges and deep valleys are dotted with apple orchards and flower fields with blossoms between May-October. This is also the best time to be here.
आपने देखा होगा यहाँ चारों तरफ जो ये हिल नेट लगे हुए हैं, सारे आपको जितने भी है ये सारे एप्पल ऑर्चर्ड्स दिख रहे हैं और सारी इकनॉमी यहाँ एप्पल के ऊपर है.
I also went to these apple orchards. Some apple plants are covered with nettings to protect the fruits from damage by vagaries of freak weather. Shimla is known for its apples, and while I was exploring this beautiful Fagu village, I came across these apple orchards. This place is really beautiful and peaceful. Fagu forms an excellent base for trekkers, botanists and naturists who come to explore the beautiful countryside of Shimla. July-September is monsoon and you can see the deciduous forest at its best. Being a sparsely populated region, Fagu is a honeymooner's heaven. I also went to this stunning sunset point in Chharabra. I'm in the midway between Fagu and Shimla. This place is called Chharabra. It is a very famous helipad. This place is also famous for its picnic spots and people also come here to play matches. It has also got its popularity from the sunset and the sunrise point, and if you are near Shimla or Fagu, you should not miss this place. I didn't let Shimla's hustle and bustle discourage me, and neither should you. Plan that trip, go to Shimla for the sights, walk down Mall Road in your urban rags, and do not miss Fagu. However, Fagu is where you should fall asleep and wake up so that you can gift yourself the hill station experience. Keep watching NMF News.